Faial. There is an island where sailors rest. A place rich in history, culture, and nature. A place made of pure green and blue, built on the blackened fire of volcanic rock. On land or sea, this is a place of strong passions, authentic and inviting, where every newcomer is a friend, and every encounter is made of stories and enchantment. Discover Faial, which for centuries has welcomed the explorers of the Atlantic, a place of experiences and encounters, of people who come together to celebrate life, and where the Azorean blue is more intense. Come, Faial awaits you.